औज़ुबिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। आज हम काफ़ी दिनों के बाद माइक्रोसॉफ्ट ऑफिस वर्ड का सेशन स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं। तो माइक्रोसॉफ्ट ऑफिस का थोड़ा सा तारफ़ कर लेते हैं। माइक्रोसॉफ्ट वर्ड इज़ अ यूज़फुल टूल फॉर बोथ स्कूल एंड ऑफिस वर्क बिकॉज इट कैन हेल्प यू क्रिएट, ऑर्गेनाइज and share documents efficiently. For academic uses, students and researchers can use Word to create notes, assignments, and other academic projects. Word's features include formatting options, templates, spell and grammar check, and collaboration tools. For office work, in business, Word to create a variety of documents including reports, invoices, calendars, and training manuals. Word's mail merge feature can output documents to mailing list or newsletter. For productivity, Word's features can help you work more efficiently and productivity. You can use tables, borders, and bullets formatting and add color to clip art. For document security, Word has security features like enhanced encryption, multi-factor authentication, and Microsoft Defender integration to protect data. In conclusion, Microsoft Word provides several benefits for academic, writing, and research projects. It is user-friendly, provides formatting options, collaborating and sharing tools, citation and referencing features, templates, spell and grammar check, autosave, and ease of access. By using MS Word, students and researchers can save time, improve the quality of their work, and achieve better outcomes in their academic projects. आज से हम इंशाअल्लाह रोज़ाना की बुनियादों पर अपना वर्क करेंगे और इंशाअल्लाह कोई नागा नहीं करेंगे। कल तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़।